Tired of your cold emails landing straight in the trash? Let's transform your outreach from generic blasts to personalized conversations with a Zapier automation that actually gets results in just a few steps. First, connect your lead source to Zapier. This could be a Google Sheet, a CRM like HubSpot, or even a lead scraping tool. The key is to have your prospect data organized. Choose your lead source app in Zapier and set the trigger to new spreadsheet row or new contact, depending on your chosen source. Next, you need to connect your email sending platform. We recommend Gmail, but you can use Outlook or any other email service that Zapier supports. Select your email app as the action, and then choose the action to send email. Now, for the magic personalization. In the To field, map the email address from your lead source. In the subject and body fields, use data from your lead source to personalize the content. For instance, you can include their first name, company name, or even reference a specific piece of content they might find valuable. This transforms a generic email into something relevant to them. Write a compelling subject line and email body. Remember to make it personalized. Finally, enable your Zap and test it to ensure everything works smoothly. That's it. You've just automated personalized cold emails with Zapier. Remember, test different approaches and track your results to refine your strategy for maximum impact. This will help you transform your email strategy for the better.